Welcome back everybody to this week's video. In this video you have the opportunity to win a Dremel 8240 Platinum Edition. So throughout the video I'll let you know how you can enter and how you can get extra entries also. So let's get on with the video and enjoy. Alright, so I've already marked out for the mortise and the foot. So it's a big old chunk of sycamore this is. So we've got the camera turned around and we're just going to get the lathe turned on and we're going to start turning it to shape. We're starting out with the mid-size finisher here from Easy Wood Tools.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives.
There we go.
And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind.
Alright, so now we're going to make the mortise. So we're starting with the mid-size detailer here. Clean it out with the number 1 hollower. Flatten everything off with a mid-size rougher. That obviously includes the foot. And back to the detailer so we can match the angles of the jaws of the chuck. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding here, so we're just going to sand to 240 here with Klingspor abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean any grain. Some sanding sealer. This is from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or you can get it from Axminster Tools if you're in the UK. Links down below. Just rub it all on until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. That picture perfect sky now looks so gray cold. We've been late. There we go. On to some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax now. So I'll wipe all this all over. Drop the towel. Right, turn the lathe on slow. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Let the solvents evaporate, and you turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200, and then buff it in. You don't want to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. You just want to build up that heat and, like I say, buff it in. There we go. Okay, so how do you enter? So today is the May 6th. I'm going to announce the winner on May 27th. So you've got a little over 3 weeks to enter. Unfortunately, my hands are tied, and this is a UK only based giveaway. So to enter, all you have to do is down in the comments section, write the word Dremel UK, and you will be entered. To get extra entries, what you have to do is you head on over to AGK Woodworks YouTube channel. He released his own video very similar to this one of making a shield, and you have to go and click that subscribe button and go and comment something nice on his video, and you will automatically be getting an extra entry. So yeah, comment Dremel UK. I will reply with thank you, and I will also give you a number, and you'll go into a random pickle wheel. And 27th of May, your number may come up. So let's get on with the rest of the video. Alright, so let's get on with doing the inside. So we're going to start with the mid-size #1 hollower. So there's actually a backstory behind this project. This is actually my interpretation of the project that started it all for me. It's the project that made me want to get a lathe. So Martin Saban-Smith, many years ago, I think maybe 7 or 8 years ago now to be precise, did a project called Golden Fire, and that was a catalyst that made me want to get a lathe. So Martin, if you're watching this, thank you. So we've got the mid-sized detailer here, just marking out a few lines. And back to the #1 hollower. And we're just going to start hogging some wood out. I want to leave that boss on the inside. There's the rougher, just a bit of shaping on that boss. There's the finisher.
going through. I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy.
Alright, so we've got a Dremel here with a carving bit in it. I'm just going to do a bit of texturing. So a bit of texture to the rim and a little bit on the boss as well.
And so it seems I never dreamed that I would figure out that there are things that kind of bring it to a screeching stop. There's no way to save your heart. You just gotta play your part, and it will turn out.
Spray the textured areas black.
With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you.
And now we're going to clean up the areas that are going to need a little bit of colour in a minute. So use the number 1 hollower for doing that.
With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you.
Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to go with 400 grit here with cling spore abrasives. Press there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the grain. Alright, we're going to start with some colouring now. So this is the yellow Carnival Colors. Some red.
Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting, and just let it fall. My love is real, and it's not just for the season.
And then some orange in the middle. That wasn't the best transition, was it?
My love will last, it'll stand the test of time.
Some Hampshire Sheen Danish oil.
I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real, and it's not just for
And some Liberon Pompiège. That's their Gilt cream. I'm just going to put that all over the textured area. You don't want to put that on too thick because you want to only get the higher spots. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to click that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. Like I said, there'll be some pictures at the end. And until the next one, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.
test of time.